Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are looking for some nice blades for a double-edge safety razor, then I want to show you these from Feather. These are the high stainless blades, and these are double-edged stainless steel razor blades, and they are really nice. So my husband uses these in a double-edge safety razor, and he loves these. And it's for quite a few reasons. One, these are very sharp and effective blades, and he has very coarse facial hair, and these do an amazing job and help to reduce irritation, he has found. So these little blades each last about 8 to 12 shaves on average, and there's very minimal cost. So it is a huge savings compared to like cartridge style razors or disposable razors. It just cuts down on all that waste and all that extra money that you pay for those. So these are really cool because you get 100 in this box here. They come in these little packs that each have 5 blades. So they're a very small little blade that come individually wrapped, and you just pull them out and then you change it in your safety razor. And the other really cool thing about this little container is that on the back it has a spot to put your used razor blades. So it's like a little mini sharps container. So that is great for safety and not having just used razor blades in your garbage that might hurt someone. So that's a really nice feature as well. So if you're looking for some really nice high quality razor blades for a safety razor, I would definitely recommend these from Feather. They are an excellent product, and that's my point of view.